So they have a 30% offer, 30% off all carpets that you buy. Like if you buy 2 carpets, you're going to get 30% from each carpet that you buy, not like generalize. So even if you're picking one item, even if it's a doormat, even if you're picking a bedside rug, it doesn't matter, you're going to get 30% off. Ni noma. I like those stripes, but sasa unajua ikiwekwa chini ndio it's another different thing, eh? Even this is so unique sana. Hizo alafu hiyo fan ni different. Yeah, this is fluffy. Alafu hii texture yake ni fiti. I really love this texture. Haikai kama hii shagi ya kawaida, na haikai kuweka uchafu. You know, alafu I love these details at the end. This pattern, na it's more colorful. Alafu it has like 3 shades. Zenye tunataka, the white, the goldish. I don't know.
Hii ni kali.
Ni kali sana. Hazarana.
Mfungo kadogo.
Kali.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver and starting fights.
Hey guys, so we are back home. We finally managed to get a carpet. So I want to clean up kidogo and then I install it because I want to remove the other one. Finally, I hated that carpet because we bought it on impulse. The time we bought it, ours was stolen. Our original carpet was stolen. It was a 5x8. So we had, and then we had just moved to this apartment. So because it was the July cold season, we had to buy something to shikilia because Ayana doesn't like socks apparently. So we had to buy something ya kushikilia kidogo, and then we bought that cheap carpet. And I think they don't really last long. It was not really my preference, but we had to get one like quickly, speedily, mtoto asigonjeke. So that's what we did. But now at least finally we have managed to get a carpet. It's not what I wanted. I wanted something that looked like this. This is the kind of carpet that I wanted, but I didn't get them. So I shopped there because I think last week I was in Isili, and then I noticed that mall they are selling carpets, and they have someone is mtu anapigilia vitu, sorry guys. So I noticed last week that someone that particular mall they are selling carpets and they have 30% off. So if you want to get a carpet, you can go there. They are selling all their carpets at 30% off. It doesn't matter which one you're buying, the price or anything. Even if it's a door rag or a bedside rag, it doesn't matter. As long as you get it, you're going to get 30% off each and every purchase. So you had to rush and get that. So that's what we did. And now I think let me show you guys what I'm doing. And someone kuna mtu anachungulia hapa. Ayana, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Ooh, your hair looks pretty.
Thank you.
Hebu geuka wisi. Turn around wisi. Show us. Wewe.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears,
guys, so it's the next day. Actually, it's 2 days after. Today is Monday, and I'm winding up editing the video that you're supposed to watch today. And then I realized that I didn't give you guys the details of the carpet place where I got the carpets. So I got the carpets from Isili Royal Mall basement. So they have a 30% offer, 30% off all carpets that you buy. Like if you buy 2 carpets, you're going to get 30% from each carpet that you buy, not like generalize. So even if you're picking one item, even if it's a doormat, even if you're picking a bedside rug, it doesn't matter, you're going to get 30% off. So I think you guys should take you should definitely take advantage of the offer and go get yourselves carpets, because the quality, guys, the quality is really really good. I totally love the quality, especially for my carpet. I was in Isli in the same mall about a week ago, a week and a half ago, and then that's when I saw those offers. So the carpet that I saw was going for 9.5. So when I went to check it out, I found that they had new stock. That's when I got the carpet that I have right now. And the quality of the carpet that I got, oh my god, oh my god, it is so dope. It is so good. I feel like I bought a carpet from Tiles and Carpets, because it's not a shaggy mat, it's not that rough material. It's like very soft and very fluffy. Like when you step into the carpet, it's like your foot just sinks in the carpet, and then it's very very thick. I think the carpet is like this thick. It's like this thick. And then our carpet was going for 15,800, basically like 16k. It's a 7 by 10. And then they had one more piece left of the same, like they brought into 2 pieces of that carpet. So if you want the exact same carpet, you can get it, or maybe others. They have a lot of variety. The offer will be ending probably in like 2 weeks or a week's time. I'm not sure, but you guys need to take advantage of that, because can you imagine, from 15.8, the 30% off, I think we got around 4k off. Imagine. I think that's just dope. So you guys, definitely I recommend them 101%. Go get your carpets from there. So the shop strictly deals with carpets only. Royal Mall in Isli basement. I saw that the top part, there's also another shop. I don't know if they are one thing. Maybe if you get there you can ask, because when you just in the ground floor, there is also more carpets. They are one thing. They are one shop. Ah, okay. Alfie is telling me that they are one shop. So when you go to huko chini ndio kuna variety. Ah, okay. So when you go to Royal Mall, just check the carpets at the ground floor, and also go down to the basement, because they have more variety at the basement. They are one shop. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. So Alfie just confirmed that, and then you can definitely get yourself one very nice carpet. Take advantage of the offer, guys. Take advantage of the offer. You're going to save a lot of cash. 30% out of each and every item that you purchase. So I bought this carpet from my cousin, and then I noted that like for the carpet that we have, it has a very nice, say hi.
Hi.
The carpet that we bought, it has a very nice grip to the tiles, huh? And then I noticed that because I bought my cousin a different type of carpet, has had a leather band or strip round the whole carpet. I'm going to insert the photo somewhere here. It had a leather strip like round, so it doesn't slip. No slipping. They are like anti-slip carpets, so I think that's very very good, and I feel so good. I feel so happy. The carpet has brightened up the whole house like on another level. Do you like our carpet? Do you like it? So you go and check them out for yourself. They also have kids carpets. So you can definitely do that. So I think I'm going to end the video right about now, guys. Someone has started making silly faces. I'm going to end the video right about now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. When you get the carpets, please let me know. Let me know about the quality, what you think. It will be so amazing that you guys will actually go and shop there. It's not a paid promotion. I just wanted to let you guys know of that plug. It's a very, very nice shop. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next video. I love you so much, but don't forget that Jesus loves you more. Bye. Tell guys bye.
Bye.
We'll see you on the next video. Blow them a kiss.
Mwah.
Like this. Mwah.
Mwah.
Say bye.
Bye.
I end the video. Touch the camera. Here.